Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your WordPress site and edit it. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our WordPress site. Let's go to admin. Let's log in. And here guys, we are at the dashboard of the WordPress site, which is at the back end. And if you can see, if you want to edit a post, you can add new over here like this. You can edit the post, and if you want to edit post, you can just go to all post like here, and you will be able to see all the posts. And if you want to edit the page, you can see all page. You can just click over here and edit the particular page. You can see the edit option over here. You can edit the personal option over here. But if you want to build a page from scratch to up, this is you are going to build a site, not edit a site. So if you want to build a site from scratch, you got to see the lessons for building a site. But editing site means that we are going to edit the post, we are going to edit the medias like this. If we have a certain medias on our website, we can edit all these factors over here, and we can rewrite them. You can edit media by this way. You can edit your pages, you can edit your pictures, you can edit your post. But to build a website, you will need to see the courses for building a website from scratch, because that's not editing a website. And there guys, editing your WordPress website is this easy. And if you're confused, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.